What's up guys, I am Paki and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you along for a dynamic car meeting organized by the Spillati crew. I joined the meeting with my girlfriend and we had a blast. The only downside is that I could finish the entire route with the only part of it. The run started from Marina di Sestri Ponente, went through the Ligurian mountain and headed down to Arizzano. We managed to stay with the group until Passo del Turchino, which was the central part of the trip. Then I had to head back. As you can see from the footage, I used my Insta360 for some of these shots. At one point we pulled over to get some clips of the exhaust and the engine sound. If I can recover that footage, I will definitely include it here. Overall, it was a lot of fun and I want to thank the organizers for the route and the great company. That is for today. We will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video. This is Aki. See you next time.